Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Gary Valenciano Take Me Out of the Dark. This song was requested very much. So let's see. Since you guys really wanted me to do a first time reaction, which I usually don't do, I decided I'm gonna do for this song. So no, I haven't listened this song before. So let's see. I'm curious.
Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love and why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. 'Cause you have forgiven me too many times, it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, no more.
Wow. Oh my god. I love it. Ah! Okay. Uh, ooh, uh, obviously, emotionally, it's a very touching song. Beautiful lyrics. And which was actually very surprising to me, how he changed, how he went from a completely different sound, which I didn't expect. It is na na na. I don't know what was the actual melody, sorry, but it was like from the higher one to the lower one, and it was like a really big difference, like a sound difference. Like it sounded literally like two different person, and it was perfect how he did that. That was actually beautiful. I really love when it's not only emotions or it's not only the technique, when these two meets together. However, what I see that he really pushes forward the neck and the jaw, which is not, I wouldn't say that it's correct technically, because basically when you have a right technique, the jaw never goes forward, the jaw always goes down. It's like literally, have you ever fall asleep, I'm sure you do, on an airplane? That's how actually the jaw is supposed to be, and he pushes quite forward. So here and there I heard some breath support, like lack of breath support. So basically I'm talking about breathing technique. So there's a few things I could correct as a teacher, but so just like that. So obviously when you have the correct way to sing, it's always up here. So you always need to raise your placement up here, but you never push anything forward because it's all stuck in the throat. And that's when the problem happens if you sing this way for a long time. However, the voice, the sound, how he plays with that, like how he went from a beautiful mixed chest, falsetto, so it's there. But it's very interesting that the breathing technique could be a bit more improved. So I'm surprised, but it happens. We are not no one's perfect, but still, the expression of the soul, it's coming through, and I love that. Okay, anyway, let's keep going.
You've never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold.
That's what I meant. No, 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 no. It's beautiful how actually he changes. It's not easy. It's really not easy. Many people, many singers struggle with like constantly singing high, then going to the low one, or the other way around, like singing low, then going up to the high one. But it only happens if you have lack of technique. So it's like if you know how to do it, like I said, the main thing is that you're not using the throat. You need to be able to sing everything from your mustache line and above, basically, because the point is that you raise your placement, you put everything here, you project everything from here and above, and in this case you're not going to use the throat. And even though that you go lower, you're not losing the placement. You're still singing from here. And that's when you can actually go up and down, low to high without any problem, any issue. And even though that he does that, it's beautifully how it actually changes. I'm just very surprised of the forward placement.
Oh, Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yet I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel this way. I've never known a man who'd give his life for sinners like me. Yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity, and we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause I don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, my Lord.
It's interesting because to me it sounds a bit like that. It's like a Disney movie, like a fairy tale. When the prince is singing, that's how it feels like, or that's what I can think of when I listen his voice. He has a very nice and gentle voice. I'm sure he's a gentle soul as well. I've seen other videos when he's singing with a huge smile. He's very, very sympathetic, and there are people like, whose face are born to smile. Morissette Amon is like this, and he is like this to me. That when he smiles, it really feels like that the sun is shining, and it's so attractive. These people are so attractive, who reflect light, who reflect happiness, who reflect joy. And that's what we need. I would say we would need more of this. I love it. Yes. So singing wise, like I said, it's very beautiful. It's very good how he plays with the sound, play with the registers. Me personally, I would add a tiny bit of more projection. I would focus more on the projection, like when I'm talking about techniques, which means that I'm placing my sound up here, like na 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 na. Sorry, I don't know the melody, but something like that. So if you raise your placement and you project your sound up here, the whole your sound, the way you sing, is gonna be so much more powerful, even without any kind of physical approach. That's the main thing. That's the way. That's the secret of secret of projection, basically. That you sing is the law of the least effort. You sound powerful. You are loud. You are energetic. But it's like being in the flow. It's just coming, it's flying, it's floating out of, the sound is floating out of you without any kind of physical effort. So that's what actually I could think of when I listen him. So maybe a little bit of more projection up here, and his voice would be even more more in the flow, if it's possible. But apart from that, emotionally is just absolutely beautiful. He definitely knows how to express the soul, so it's very touching, and it's, thank you very much for recommending him. If you have more ideas, requests, please post below the video any questions, or for any consultation or lesson, you find all the links below the video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site, where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much, and see you soon.